Hello，大家好啊！我係小廖老師，歡迎你嚟到閃星星嘅溫習系列。今日呢，我就想同我嘅學生溫習一下 grammar 嘅。大家記唔記得乜嘢係 adjectives 呢？即係形容詞啊。咁今日呢，想同你溫習一下 opposite adjectives，即係相反詞。Adjectives that are completely different from each other 就係相反詞啦。我哋由 Level 1開始先啦。Huge 大 ，small 細小。Short 矮 ，tall 高。Clever 聰明 ，foolish 愚笨。Strong 強壯 ，weak 弱小。Fast 快 ，slow 慢。Wet 濕 ，dry 乾。Good 乖巧 ，naughty 頑皮。Above 上面 ，below 下面。Happy 開心 ，sad 不開心。Young 年輕 ，old 年老。Hot 熱 ，cold 凍。Clean 清潔 ，dirty 污糟。跟住落嚟係 Level 2。Loud 大聲 ，quiet 安靜。Pessimistic 悲觀 ，optimistic 樂觀。Difficult 困難 ，easy 容易。Lazy 懶惰 ，diligent 勤力。Humble 謙虛 ，arrogant 自大。Rigid 僵化 ，flexible 靈活變通。Bright 光亮 ，dark 黑暗。Friendly 友善 ，mean 刻薄。Generous 慷慨 ，stingy 小氣。Careful 小心 ，careless 不小心。跟住嚟到考考你咯喎。10 years ago, he was weak. Now he is weak 嘅相反詞係咩呢？係 strong 強壯。10 years ago, he was foolish. Now he is 係 clever 聰明。10 years ago, he was naughty. Now he is 我哋可以用 good 好係 naughty 嘅相反詞。10 years ago, he was dirty. Now he is 係 clean。dirty 嘅相反詞係 clean。10 years ago, he was stingy. Now he is 係 generous 啊，小氣嘅相反就係大方 generous。10 years ago, he was arrogant. Now he is 係 humble 謙虛，以前係自大嘅。10 years ago, he was mean. Now he is 係 friendly，即係以前呢都幾衰，而家呢係好友善嘅。10 years ago, he was diligent. Now he is lazy，以前係幾勤力，而家就變咗懶啦。10 years ago, he was pessimistic. Now he is 係 optimistic 啊，以前呢好悲觀，而家呢就好樂觀嘅。10 years ago, he was young. Now he is old. 以前年輕，而家已經年老啦。10 years ago, his eyes were small. Now his eyes are 係 huge 啊，由細變到而家變大。大家頭先嘅題目又答成點啊？係咪啱晒呢？好啦，嚟到最後呢，我又想送你一句我喜歡嘅金句，就係 Change is permanent。變幻就是永恆。細個嗰時呢，覺得好得意嘅，點解變先至係永恆呢？大個呢，就明白到啦。每一個階段，每一件事其實都會不停咁變嘅，有時會變好，有時會變壞，但係就要睇下你嘅心態啦。你會唔會努力去令佢變好呢？定係你荒廢咗令佢變壞啊？大家找緊住美好嘅時光，唔好令佢變壞，令到自己後悔㗎咯喎。又係多謝你睇到最後啊！希望今日嘅片可以幫到你溫習啦。記得 like、subscribe 同埋 share 我嘅影片。我係小廖老師，聽日再嚟閃星星睇下。如果你有啲咩唔明白，或者你想我下次同你溫習咩項目，都可以喺下邊留言嘅。拜拜。